Example of section 3, we're going to look at expressions with base E. So base E is just a button on your calculator. It's kind of like pi. It continues on forever, but it just represents about, I think, 2.78, I believe. Um, and it has to deal with compound interest, but it's when we compound it continuously, so repeatedly, and we get this formula right here. P is our principal, and then we have times by E, that E button on your calculator, raised to our rate times time. Okay, so I want to express this expression with E, so I just basically just want this answer with an E in it. So when I multiply by the same base, E, I add my exponent, so 7 plus a negative 2 is just 5, right? This one, I'm raising it to the fourth, so that means don't I just have 3 of those, or 4 of those, right? And because this is in parentheses, that'd be 4 negatives, which is a positive, right? So I don't really have to write it out all like this. And then, so that would mean that I have to take negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3, which is negative 3 to the fourth, which is 81. Okay, and then it'd be e to the 2x to the fourth, because there's 4 of those, which would be 8x. So e to the 8x. So we get 81 e to the 8x. Okay, on this one, here we're dividing, so I can take these coefficients out front and actually just divide them or reduce them, right? They both go into 2 times, probably bigger than that, maybe 7, probably 7. So we get, what, 21 over 7, and then 7 divided by 21 is 3, right? So that reduces down to 3. And then e to the 7th over e to the 5th, we subtract exponents. So when we divide by the same base, subtract exponents, we get 3e squared. So those are my 3 answers there. So just rewrite and use them rules of exponents.